Hey YouTube, and welcome to Junkworks DIY Garage. I'm having a little issue here. That turns both directions, but as you can see I can hold the front of it and it's not turning. Now I'm hoping this is a simple fix. I have not messed with it yet, but I did go on YouTube and I actually watched a couple of things, and this seems to be a common thing for these to happen. Right here you got your clutches for high speed and low speed, and they tend to somehow, I've never had this happen, and I've owned these for many years. I don't know how many, but I would say going on 8 years at least. Anyway, I've never had this happen, and then I noticed after that video I came and looked. The clutch is, or speed control here on the top is halfway, kind of back and forth. So I'm hoping by doing that or that, that'll fix my problem. And it did. So, if you find that your drill, it must be a fairly common one because I saw a couple videos out there. So yes, I'm kind of stealing this for throw this content in here, and I should put down a name, but I honestly can't remember who it was. It was like the middle of the night and I was going through stuff, so it's working. Awesome. That saved me from having to tear I was going to start tearing into the head of this thing, and luckily I didn't. Alright, well, thanks for watching Junkworks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and I'm obviously master of none. You all have a good one.